Inati is a deeply rooted Tokelauan tradition centered on the communal sharing of the day's catch, typically fish. After men return from fishing or any other form of fiva, the catch is gathered and shared equally among all families in the village. This includes not only the local households, but also visitors or guests staying on the island. No one is excluded. The Inati system reflects values of solidarity, care, and social support. While it's not practiced every single day, it becomes essential during times of need, such as when a family has no adult male provider or when supporting widows, the elderly, or those facing hardship. It ensures that everyone, regardless of their circumstances, has food and feels part of the community. This system has been passed down through generations and remains a living tradition, a testament to Tokelau's strong sense of unity and mutual care